Ready to ditch the scheduling headaches and hello to effortless bookings? Let's dive into creating a professional booking website on Squarespace in just a few easy steps. First, head over to Squarespace.com and start a free trial. You'll need to choose a template. Well, you can customize any template. Selecting one designed for service-based businesses will save you a lot of time. Look for keywords like services, appointments, or classes when browsing. Once you've picked your template, it's time to set up your booking services. Navigate to the Pages section, then find or create a page specifically for your services. You can add a scheduling block by clicking the plus icon wherever you want your booking calendar to appear. This is where the magic happens. You'll be prompted to connect or create a Calendly account, which integrates seamlessly with Squarespace. Calendly will handle all the scheduling logic. Set your availability, service durations, pricing, and any buffer times you need between appointments. Don't forget to customize the look and feel of your booking page to match your brand. Change the colors, fonts, and add your logo to create a cohesive experience for your clients. Finally, test everything thoroughly. Book a test appointment yourself to ensure the process is smooth and user-friendly. Share your new booking website link and watch those appointments fill up.